Good morning, my dear friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we will learn the various type of tips and trick for logical reasoning. Logical reasoning is very important a topic for all type of competitive examinations. Today, we will learn the basic concept about logical reasoning, and these questions are important for your CMAT and Public Service Commission examinations. Today, we will discuss about the digit. How many times the digit 1 comes while we write from 0 to 100, or how many times the digit 2 appears while we write from 1 to 1000 or 1 to 2000. To solve this type of questions, let us discuss the basic concept, and then we can easily solve all type of questions related to it. If we see the numbers from 0 to 100 in this table, and if we see the number of digit 1, then we have especially this column and this row. In this column and this row, we only find digit 1, or the digit 1 are only present in these two lines. In this row, if we count digit 1, and if we count digit 1 in this column, and if we add all together, there are 20 digits. 20 times we need to write 1, or digit 1 appears 20 times while we write from 0 to 100, 0 to 99. If we write 0 to 100, there is one extra 1 in 100, that makes total 21 digit 1, or we need to write 21 times digit 1 from 1 to 100. Now let us see the table. For digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again for digit 2 we can use this column and this row, and for digit 3 we can use this column and this row. Now similarly for digit 9 we can use this second last column and second last row, and if we count we'll get this table. This is the conclusion, this is the final conclusion, how many times the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 appears while we write from 1 to 100. Only the digit 1 appears 21 times, because there is one extra 1 in 100. For all other cases there are 20, the digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 comes 20 times. Now let us solve this question, then we can solve other questions easily. How many times the digit 1 comes while we write from 1 to 300, and how many times the digit 2 comes, and how many times the digit 3 appears, and similarly we can solve all type of questions. Let us try to solve this question at first question, how many times the digit 1 comes while we write from 1 to 300. Now let us see, if we write from 1 to 99, I haven't written here 1 to 100, because if I write 1 to 100, then we will not get this pattern. In order to make this pattern, I have written 1 to 100, 1 to 99. In 1 to 99, there are 21s, and in 100 to 200, again we will get 101, and again we will get 111, 112, 113. If we count that, again we have another 20, and from 200 to 300 also. From 200 to 300 means 201, 202, 203, and 299, and then 300. In the similarly we will get another 20. But while we write from 1 to 199 or 1 to 200, we start with 101 and we end with 199. This total, we start with from 100 also, we begin with 100. So this all together there are 100 ones, because the 101, 102, 103, in that all process we write 1 at the beginning. So all together there are 160 ones. From 1 to 100 we have to write 160 times. The digit 1 appears 160 times. Now let us see this table. The digit 1 appears 160 times. The digit 2 also appears 160 times. But the digit 3 appears only 61 times. Because our last digit is 1 to 300. In 300 we have in 1 to 100 we have 20 3 appears 20 times. In 100 to 200 3 appears another 20 times, and 200 to 300 3 appears 21 times, because there is 1 3 in 300. So altogether there are 61 3 excuse me 61 sorry, there are 61 threes while we write from 1 to 300. And for 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they appears 60 times. In this way we can find the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all digit from 1 to 300. Similarly, now let us see how many times the digit 1 comes while we write from 1 to 500? Now we have simple formula. For 1 to 500, we'll write 20 into 5. 20 into 5, 1 to 1, 20 into 5, and then extra 100. Extra 100 comes from 100 to 199. Again for digit 2, we'll do the same thing. 20 into 5 plus extra 100, that comes from 200 to 300. Again for the digit 3, we do the same thing. Again for the digit 4, we do the same thing, but digit 5 appears only 101 times, because after writing 500, we need to stop, because question is only asking to find digit 5 from 100 to 500. We don't have to move further from 500. And 6, 7, 8, 9 appears 100 times. Now let us see another question. How many times we need to write 1 from 1 to 2000, or how many times the digit 1 appears while we write from 1 to 2000? For this, let us see this. From 1 to 2000, 1 to 2000, see, for 1 to 500, we multiplied 20 by 5. From 1 to 2000, we need to multiply 20 by 20, because here is 2000. If there was 1000, we would multiply 20 with 10. For 5000, we have multiplied by 5. So first thing is 20 into 20. First thing we need to do is we write 20 into 20. Excuse me. Yeah, and then from 100 to 199, we have extra 100. Again from 1100 to 1199, we have another extra 100, and from 1000 to 199, we have 1000 ones, because it begins with at the beginning we have to write 1. If we write 1000 to 1099, 1999, so altogether there are 1601, and we can calculate, we can find the other like digit 2, 3, 4, 5 from 1 to 1000 or 1 to whatever quantity. You can do similarly. So this is now you know like how to solve the number of digit type of questions. Now if you see these questions, if you see this table again, we need to write how many zeros are there from 1 to 1000, 1 to 100. If you write 1 to 100, then you need to see this line, this column. See, there are only single zeros are there from 1 to 9, and there are 2 zeros are there in 100. So there are 11 zeros from 1 to 100. If you write 0 to 100, there will be 12 zeros. So how many digits are there from 1 to 100? Now in this question, the question is asking about how many digit. It is not asking about how many digit 1 and how many digit 2. All together we need to find the digit. It means if you have a like book, in that book if you count the digit from page 1 to 100, while writing from 1 to 9, we have only single digit, one digit, there are 9. And if you write from 10 to 99, if you write from 10 to 99, there are 90 terms which are made up of two digit, like 10 is of 2 digit term, and 11, 12 likewise. If you go on till 99, you have to write 90 times the 2 digit term, so there will be 182 digits, and in 100 there are 3 digits. So if we go from 1 to 100, there are 192 digit. It means यदि तपाईले 1 देखि 100 सम्म लेख्नु भयो भने कति पटक चाहिँ तपाईले डिजिटहरु लेख्नु पर्छ भनेको यो। जस्तै 1 देखि 9 सम्म लेख्दा 9 पटक डिजिट लेख्नु पर्यो। त्यस्तै गरी अब 10 लेख्दा त दुईटा डिजिट लेख्नु पर्यो, अनि 12 लेख्दा फेरि दुईटा डिजिट लेख्नु पर्यो। टोटल 90 वटा दुईवटा डिजिट लेख्नु पर्छ, अनि अल टुगेदर 192 डिजिट लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ। अब for this type of questions we can write like this as well. We can find answer like this as well. So digit 1 appears 21 times, digit 2 appears 20 times. Similarly all digit appears 20 times, and 0 appears 11 times. If we add this all, you will get 192, but this is lengthy method. You have to do like this: single digit, double digit, and triple digit. And how many times how many digits are there from 1 to 200? For 1 to 200, again this process repeats. This for 1 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, and 3 digit. For 3 digit, 3 digit starts from 100. 3 digit starts from 100, 100, and from 100 to 200, there are altogether 101 digit. So we need to multiply 101 by 3, and if we add this all, we will get 492. In this way, you can find the number of digit. Thank you very much for this video. We will again discuss about the digit in another upcoming video.